welcome to Buying Classics. Today we're in a BMW E30 Cabriolet. The electric window switch has stopped working, meaning that the windows are stuck and we can't open or close them, so we're going to change it out with a replacement part. So that looks like it's working a lot better, so we should be able to get our windows open or closed to get the roof down. So the tools I'm going to be using are these plastic trim tools. These are pretty handy because if you try and get in here with a screwdriver, you're obviously going to damage the trim around the side of any switch that you're trying to take out. So I'm going to go ahead with this one and just pop it under there. There's a couple of spring clips on either side. This one seems pretty loose, so we're going to go ahead and just pop it up. There we go. Then you can just pull this up by hand. You can see the spring clip is there, which is holding it in place. There's two cables connected here, which we're going to just pull off. Luckily these tend to stay in the same position, so you know you're going to get the right way around when you put the new switch on. So we get the new switch, push those connectors on, and then just reposition it and push it down so those spring clips clip into place. Now that switch is working. Thanks for watching, hope that helps.